Hey everybody, it is Saturday, July 19th, and today is the day. It is honey day. So we're going to go, I think we got about 3 supers that we're going to be able to pull honey from today. And we're going to take it down to the house and extract it and put it in some bottles. And then we'll have honey ready for everybody. So let's get into it and I'll show you what we got to do. All right, everybody, we're going to get into the first hive right here. We're going to pop the lid on it. Somewhere I have a tool. I don't know where I laid it down. It's over here. Waylon's out here helping me today, and we are going to see if we can get any honey out of this one. We may or we may not. It's hard to say at this point in time. There's definitely bees up in here. All right, Waylon.
Are we gonna check the bottom one?
Let's see what we got here.
Are we gonna check the bottom one?
We're going to get in here.
Daddy, are we gonna check the
And
bottom?
see what we got. So we've got a little bit there. We're probably not going to take that one. We are going to take this one.
That has so much capped honey.
Yep, it's got a little bit on the edge, but it's not shaken out. Go get your brush.
All right.
Okay, come over here, brush them off gently. Flip your brush, like flick it. Like this, watch.
That makes more sense.
Okay, let me get this.
And then I'll do the other side.
It's going to get them a little bit riled up. Okay, I need you to carefully carry that over to the back of the Ranger, please. Got it? Put your tool down, you don't need that. It's fine. Okay, carry that over, set it in the back of the Ranger.
Okay, your brush. Flick them off. Easy flick. Flick, 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 flick. There you go. Easy. Yeah, this side's still has. Flick it. All off there. Flick it, flick, flick, flick. Right there. Okay, that goes in the back of the Ranger. Brush. Take it in the back of the Ranger. Shake test. Come out. Okay, back of the Ranger. Okay, now these other ones we will leave alone. What we are going to do is we are going to go ahead
Give them some new ones,
fresh honey one.
some fresh.
Even though they do smell good, they're still going to be good for the bees. Just to
Like
let them
that.
know that they're honey bombs.
Okay, like that. And we will put the lid back on them.
Hi, Whitney.
Okay.
Hi, Bee.
All right. 1 down, 2 to go. All right, hive number 2. This was this year's swarm that we caught. Let's see what we got. Ooh, I hear them. All right.
They're very aggressive. We're probably going to have to scrape the wonky cone off.
All right, let's see what we got working with here. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Go get that spray and the rags. And they're not going to be too happy because we're taking some of their honey, but that's okay. We are going to pull like maybe a couple frames out of here that they're working on. here is another one. And they will get these back in the next super that we put back on top of them. Now, here's what we're going to do is we are going to get stung. Try not to get stung. Okay. All right, Waylon, get your brush ready. We're going to brush these bees off. We'll give them a little shake. Very small amount. Okay, brush. Okay, brush. Flip your brush. There you go. Okay, we're gonna put this over here. We are going to put that in there. Not the preferred method to be doing this, but we are going to make it work. Brush, please. Okay. Boy, it is sweating.
It's like very hot out here.
How hot is it today, Waylon?
About 86.
It could be. That seems like a pretty close number. Okay. Honey did not shake out.
But that's over it.
That's good. Here. Oh yeah, we get a little bit of honey out of them. Yeah, I think that'll do. They're saying, no, don't take our honey. Okay.
Well, we have to because it's our honey,
No.
actually.
It's actually the bees' honey.
We make it, we take it. We might leave it just a tiny bit of honey, too.
They're saying, wee.
They're like, this is so much honey.
Again. You think that's what they're
are
saying?
not going their long ways.
Okay. Last frame for this box. That one is butt in there. Okay. All right. Now, put that in there.
I did not thought they would be this aggressive today.
They're being pretty nice today.
We have not stung us yet, which that's a good thing.
Okay. They're not happy with what we just did. Okay, Waylon, the lid.
And then we're done,
Okay.
I think.
Now, so what I'm gonna do, I put the lid back on there. I probably will put a bucket on top of here, and they can pull out that top box for us using some sugar syrup, and then we'll keep an eye out and see when some goldenrod starts to bloom. And what we'll do is we will we'll take that off maybe, and we'll put an empty super on top for them. So, all right, I had a little change of ideas here. I forgot this was only a single deep, so I'm going to put a second deep on here and put some food on them and let them pull out their second deep. And we'll just take this honey super off. So, let's go ahead and just got it glued together pretty good. Okay. All right, take this off of here. That. They don't like that, of course. Okay. I've got a deep box right here.
5 frames delivered.
Okay, thank you. We did not do any smoke.
Because they're slightly not as aggressive as they usually are.
We just do this right here. Oh, Waylon, we forgot to pull a frame out. Hold those for a minute, please. Hold those for a minute, please. I need that spot. Move those, please. Oh, they're going to get a little bit frisky here, but that's all right. They don't like that, do they?
There's one bee here.
There's a lot of bees in a single deep. Okay. One frame. Thank you.
Well, that makes it less more scary.
They have lots of brood in there, it looks like, from here. Okay. That should help calm them down a little. This one's got some pretty good waxed frames in it. Oh, they're calming down a little bit now. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many we put in here, Waylon?
I don't know. I think like
If it's a 10 frame box, how many frames do we put in?
at least
If it is a 10 frame box, how
4.
many? 10. Yeah. I had a game plan, but with bees, there is no game plan. Okay. And this in my pocket. Okay, we're gonna let them build into a double deep. See how things go. Maybe in the fall we can put another super back on top of them. So we're gonna move to the next hive. We're gonna clean up some mess here. I'll check you back in a minute. All right, we're back for our last hive. We did a couple of checks in some of these other hives and put food on them and all that fun stuff. Pop the top of this open. Okay, these bees don't like anybody, never have liked anybody. But take this top box off. Here. Okay, Waylon. Let's take this box off because it is going to be full of honey. Oh, wow. Okay.
That is strong.
Yeah, there's a lot of honey in that one. Okay. You need to move, please. And when I set this right here, wow. Okay. Yep. We'll put this back on top. Okay. And their lid back on top of that. Okay. Alright. The bees are not happy. We just stole a bunch of honey from them. We're going to see you back down at the house and we start extracting. So hang with us.